Hello, good morning and welcome to St. Ronan's News this Tuesday, the 2nd of February 2021. Birthdays! Ben! Happy birthday to you, young man. Have an amazing day today. Hope the weather holds out. If it is already, I don't know. You share your birthday with Ken Bruce, radio DJ, probably most famous for Popmaster on Radio 2. You recognise that if you play along. David Jason, actor, has been in many things. Probably best known for Only Fools and Horses, and Duncan Ballantyne, entrepreneur and author. Yes, first entrepreneur on the show. So doesn't go to music, maths, English, goes to no one really. The anagram is back today. So answers to teens, prep school, general, and look for the anagram post. External viewers, no, they still don't, no. Add your guesses to the feed below. The emoji books will be back tomorrow. So what's on for the rest of this week? Well, today is the school assembly. Prep school, general, please. Got it all written down. And Year 3 Parents' Evening tonight online. This is a first, a momentous occasion. All those years we've been going, it's our very first online parents meeting. Tomorrow, chapel, St. Ronan's Radio. If you're on remove, it's an assembly for you. Thursday, chapel, and if you're in class 3, an assembly for you. And it's the Year 4 Parents' Evening. So it's not as prestigious now. It's starting to wear thin. But I'm sure we will have throwback Thursdays about this in the near future. Friday, mindfulness and the gathering. I got the information today, look. I had to wait though. Now don't forget, there's less time now for you to get your entries to your houses to complete the art challenges. And if you've got any ideas on what to spend the £250. Now Mr. Andrew and Richie would love to see a Dragon's Den, there's Duncan again, do I get another picture up? Style video. Serious or crazy, all ideas are welcome. A new joke book for Mr. Andrew would be a definite bonus if you heard him on the radio yesterday. He laughed himself as well. People that laugh at Mr. P. So guess the microbe time. Now Theo won yesterday's microbe. Well done, Theo. You were the first to get E. coli right. Ooh, E. coli. Oh, goodness. Anyway, here's Mrs. Scott. Now, don't forget to use the correct email like Theo and many others did. Look, down here. Look at the spelling of Lucy. If you don't spell it that way, it's going nowhere. Lucy.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Guess the Microbe. And today's microbe is a bacteria. It is sphere-shaped, or should I say cockeye. It is circular and round. And a clue here is you must not share your toothbrush or share towels. It's easy to pass this microbe on. It causes skin infections, and you can get blisters and really nasty boils containing this microbe. You can also get this microbe in your eye. It can cause eye infections such as conjunctivitis. So, it's round. You can get it on your skin. It causes boils and blisters and can cause eye infections. Which microbe is it that I'm talking about? I look forward to finding out what you think. Bye for now.
Very interesting. Thanks for that, Mrs. Scott. Are you sure this is my toothbrush? Are you sure? When I picked it up earlier, it was a bit damp and it smelled a bit garlicky. I think I'll brush my teeth before the news next time. Okay, Mrs. Thompson has popped back into her kitchen, and this time she's baked a carrot cake. Now there are 3 videos for pupils and staff to watch, and our editing team has pasted them all together in one large file, which we uploaded to social media today. Thanks, editing team. You're welcome. So I'm laughing at myself now. I'm like Mr. Andrew. Yes, and Mr. Palmer. No, that's quite insulting. Talking of baking, Madam James has created this video just in time for today. I'll let Madam James explain everything there is to know about it. Madam James.
Bonjour. Hello everybody. So this week on Tuesday the 2nd of February It is a Catholic festival in France. It's called La Chandeleur, and it represents when Jesus was presented to the temple, but it also has pagan traditions, and it celebrates the fertility of the earth and the beginning of the end of winter. So the crêpe itself represents the sun and the fact that the days are starting to get a little bit longer and a little bit warmer. So it's also called La Fête des Chandelles or La Fête de la Lumière, the Festival of Light. And the best thing about it is that people in France on the 2nd of February eat crêpe. So today, with my assistant, my daughter Alice, we are going to show you how to make crêpe in French. On y va. Alors, les ingrédients. Il faut 3 ingrédients. De la farine, du lait et des œufs. Et un petit peu de beurre aussi. Versez 150 g de farine dans un bol et faites un trou au milieu. Puis, cassez les œufs. Alors, un œuf, le deuxième œuf, alors 2 œufs en tout, et fouettez. Mélangez 200 ml de lait avec 100 ml d'eau et ajoutez peu à peu et continuez de fouetter. Quand la pâte est prête, ajoutez du beurre fondu et continuez de fouetter. Prenez une poêle et ajoutez un peu de beurre. Prenez une louche et ajoutez une louche de pâte à la poêle. Comme ça. Et laissez cuire la crêpe pour 1 minute. Comme ça. Alors, quand la crêpe est cuite d'un côté, faites sauter la crêpe. Alors, 1, 2, 3. Oh Alors, voici la crêpe. Elle est cuite. Alors, on peut la mettre sur une assiette. Et puis, vous ajoutez du sucre, du citron, de la confiture, de la Nutella, comme vous voulez. So, why don't you have a go at making crepes this week? Send us your pictures, your videos, have a go at doing it in French if you like, and send it to your French teacher, and we can't wait to see how you get on. Bon appétit!
Hang on. French Friday was on Friday, that's gone. I was looking forward to this. It started off in English, but it changed. I didn't know what was going on. The only word I understood was egg. And that's only from Mr. Palmer's joke about un œuf. Oh. I'll have to go hungry now. Not happy. Okay. Andrea and Lizz now. I wonder what the topic of conversation will be about today.
Hey, Anne.
Hey Liz,
How are you?
well, how are you?
Good. Let's walk. It's a
Liz.
lovely day.
It's a lovely day.
Yes,
I have
Anne.
a question for you that I've been thinking about.
Go for it.
Do you think it's braver being scared of something and then giving it a go? Or do you think it's braver not being scared of anything?
I think that it's braver being scared of something and giving it a go than not being scared of anything at all. So, for example, if I was scared of ducks, and then I picked up a duck, and then I picked him up. I think that's braver than not being scared of ducks and playing with ducks.
But don't you think it's braver not being scared at all? Because then you can go and do anything without worrying about anything.
I don't know. What do you think? Do you think that it is braver if you are scared of something and you do it? Or not being scared of anything at all?
Thank you, ladies. Now, I'm not scared of... What was that? Hey, what was that? Jabberwocky time! Today's Layla.
'Twas brillig and the slimy toves, did Guy and Gimble in the wade, or mimsy were the burgroves and the mome rats outgrabe. Beware the Jabberwock, my son, the jaws that bite, the claws that catch, beware the jub bird and shun, the fumous bandersnatch. He took his vorpal sword in hand, long time the manson foe he sought, so rested he by the tum tree, and stood a while in thought. 1, 2, 1, 2, and through, the vorpal blade went snicker-snack, he left it dead, and with its head he went galumphing back. And hast thou slain the Jabberwock? Come to my arms, my beamish boy, O frabjous day, Calloy he chortled in his joy. 'Twas brillig and the slivy toves, did Guy and Gimble in the wabe, or mimsy were the burgroves and the mome rats outgrabe.
Thank you, Layla. Super work, as usual. Now, after Mr. P's joke was aired yesterday, Dr. False immediately sent this as a response. Now, he sent it a little late, so we couldn't add it onto the news for yesterday. Let's see what Dr. False has to say for himself.
Hello, Terry. I know Jester Jousting is supposed to be on the radio, but I really enjoyed Mr. Palmer's jokes about the piano keys yesterday. Actually, I rang him up to tell him so afterwards, and I asked him whether he played any video games, and he said, oui.
If Dr. False sends any more jokes like that in, I'm going to have to alter the voting system to include him into, or just to change it. I don't know, what do we have? Staff versus pupils? But that's unfair on the staff with Mr. Palmer's jokes being so awful. Tricky. Can't have that. Can't have that. So, talking of Mr. P, let's hear his latest attempt to make us smile. I don't know why we endure this.
Good morning. Hope you've been enjoying the jokes. They're pretty good, aren't they? Well, jokes are great. They can entertain us. They can make us laugh, of course. And they can relax us. But they can also educate us. So, for example, what is the difference between a cat and a comma? Wait, your turn in a minute. Okay. What is the difference between a cat and a comma? Comma is a pause at the end of a clause. Whereas a cat, you're on now, whereas a cat has claws at the end of its paws. Well done. Okay. Hope you enjoyed that one. Oh, and don't forget to vote for me. Okay. See you next time.
He likes to keep reminding us to vote for him, doesn't he? He sounds like an ex-President Trump. Just less funny. Now, that's all we have time for. So stay safe, warm, and we will see you again tomorrow. Until then, goodbye. I was really looking forward to a pancake or a crepe.